YouTube, what is up? All right, so been trying to get the Can-Am ready to go pre-running. I'm super excited. It's that time of year. It's the Baja 1000, and it's always a big scramble to get ready. But I've got a list of parts and things I got to do if I'm going to take this thing pre-running. And today I wanted to talk about Brp Moto. So brpmoto.com. They make tons of dirt bike, like triple clamp stuff and side-by-side stuff, all your little parts. And I love the guys over there. Last year, they hit me up on Instagram, and then he ended up, Jim over there sent me a few parts. It was really cool, and I loved them. And this year, I was like, man, I got to get some more Brp Moto stuff. And I contacted him, and he sent me some more stuff, which is really cool. So I want to go over it. It's just like little things that he makes at his machine shop, and it's awesome. And I really appreciate all the guys that help me out. You guys help me out. You at least get a sticker and a video. But yeah, he sent me the parts, and it's freaking awesome. And it really helps because you guys all know how much you can spend on these things. I got Desert Speed. This helped me out. Rock Blocks, Vivid Racing. They've all been awesome to work with. So anyway, let's go over Jim's parts and kind of just, that's a few things I want to do to get ready for the pre-run. We'll go over those bad boys here in another video. But so seat rails. So he makes this aluminum slider, billet slider. And the cool thing for me is I'm big, and the stock PRP seat mount puts the seat really high, and I wanted them low and lean back. And so I've got them about as low as I can go with the stock seat belts because of the way the stock seat belts mount. I can probably go back one more notch when I change to like a full racing harness. But yeah, so that's the first part I did. They're awesome. It really helps to get the seat low. So even though the PRP seat comes with a mount, I felt like it was way too tall for me. So I guess it just depends on how big you are. I'm 6'3", and I'm just a big dude, and I want that seat low, and I want as much room as possible in the cab. Next thing are his mirrors. I absolutely love his mirror design. It's just a cool little billet mirror. It's super simple, bolts right into where the stock Can-Am one goes. You have your quick release. Once you get it set, it's set. It does not move. You know, the stock Can-Am ones, I broke both of them, and this would always move, and it would be so annoying. So you set it, you lock it, you're done. So yeah, love his mirrors. They're just awesome. I've got these triple clamp, or these bar mounts, and basically these are just to mount your light. So yeah, just sweet. So it gives you that angle, the right angle. And I've got these, pretty excited about these to put on them. But these are Baja Designs LP6, and they're going to be freaking awesome. So that'll be part of my lighting. Anyways, gotta have them. Freaking awesome. Really easy solution. Really appreciate it. Next big thing that I absolutely love is the door handle. So Brp Moto door handles, super easy. Again, you got one bolt, put your latch, your strap through, and you're good to go. So I kind of hate these straps, and this just makes it easy. I love Jim's at Brp Moto's handles. They're awesome. And then he threw in a cool shift knob. So anyways, little stuff, little parts that just make a big difference. I love the seat rails, the mirrors. Honestly, I think this is the best mirror design out there because it's just so simple and so easy to install. If you break a mirror, I've only seen them break if somebody rolls them. They're 20 bucks. And it just pops it right there, but they're so strong. You gotta really put some pressure on it to break it. So yeah, there you go. There's Brp Moto stuff. I'll leave a discount code in the video, give you 10% off. I think it's 10 or 15%, 10%? I think it's 10%. Anyways, they're cool. If you guys want this stuff, buy it from Jim. He's awesome. He loves side-by-sides. He supports, the community. He's a good dude, and his parts are quality. So anyways, there's my 2 cents. I'll leave a link to his stuff and a discount code for you guys. And we got a lot of videos. I got 10 days before Baja. before we leave to Baja and start pre-running. So I've got all kinds of work to do. So hopefully it will be a bunch of videos. And then once we're down in Baja, I should get a bunch of pre-running videos for you guys. All right, guys, thanks. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.